Well, that's that, I guess. 6 more months and I'll be a single man.
Oh yeah, did you just drop your judgment off?
What?
Your judgment, you know, to finalize your case. You have to fill out a whole bunch of other forms too. That's what I'm doing right now.
I filed my petition and summons. That's it, isn't it?
Oh no, my friend, that's how you start a case. You've got several more steps before your case is over. The next thing you gotta do is serve your papers.
What do you mean?
I mean, you need to get a person that's over the age of 18 to serve your documents to the other person. She has to be made aware of your case. At the earliest, you'll be divorced 6 months and a day after she's been served.
What? My 6 months hasn't even started yet?
Friend, I started my case 3 years ago, just like you. I filled out my petition and summons. About a year ago, I wanted to get married again. We got halfway through the wedding plans when I called down here and found out that my divorce wasn't final. That's when they told me my 6 months hadn't even started yet, because I didn't get my petition and summons served. Believe me, you want to get those documents served. Otherwise, you'll be in my shoes. My fiance wasn't too happy, I can tell you that.
Wow, I didn't know there was so much to this.
It isn't as bad as it looks. Just go down to the Self-Help Center and grab a Dissolution booklet. It explains the whole process in detail.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
If you have filed a petition and summons asking for dissolution, legal separation, or nullity, you have just started your case. You must have these documents served on the respondent. The 6-month and 1-day timeline begins once they have been served. You can obtain more information in the Self-Help Center.